Hi everyone, I'm Raja Prabhakaran, and this paper review I'll be talking about a study beyond crowd judgments, data-driven estimation of market value in football by Oliver Muller, Alexander Simons, and Marcus Wieman. This paper looks at how data and statistical models can be used to estimate football player market values instead of relying only on public opinions or crowdsourced websites like Transfer Market. I chose this paper because it connects directly with what we are trying to do in our soccer recruitment analysis project. The authors collected different kinds of data about each player, things like age, goals, assists, passes, tackles, and even popularity measures such as Google searches and Wikipedia views. They used a multi level regression model, which basically means the model can adjust for differences between leagues, teams, and seasons. Then they compared their models predictive market value with the actual transfer fees and also with the values estimated by the transfer market community. The goal was to see which method was more accurate, the data driven model or the crowdsourced estimates. The model performed really well. It explained about 70% of variation in market value. It showed that attacking stats like goals, assists, and passes increase a player's value, while factors like age or too many yellow cards lower it. The model was more accurate than the transfer market crowd estimate for about 90% of regular players, though it didn't do as well for superstar players whose fame and brand value affect their prices. The authors also mentioned some limits. For example, it couldn't capture things like agent influences or marketing value, and part of the data came from transfer market itself, which can create bias. For this paper, we learned that data driven modeling can give a more objective way to measure player value than people's opinion. We also learned that combining performances and popularity and age related data makes a model more realistic. For our own project, we plan to use the same idea by merging our brief performance data with the transfer market values and training regression models using PyCaret. This will help us find which factors best predict a player's value and even point out players who might be undervalued or ready to break out. So, overall, this paper gave us both the foundation and confidence to take a data science approach to football recruitment.